In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join affiliate program and earn with Notion. We'll walk through how to apply, what to expect during approval, how to access your referral link and resources, and how commissions and tracking work so you can start earning confidently. Start by going to Notion.com/affiliates and filling out the application form. Keep your answers clear and professional. Share the type of content you create, where you publish it, and who your audience is. If you have examples of posts or videos about productivity or workflow tools, mention them to show fit. The goal is to help the team understand how you'll genuinely promote the product. Double-check your details, make sure your links work, and submit. Next, wait for approval. Notion reviews applications from creators, bloggers, and influencers to make sure the program stays high quality. While you wait, keep building or organizing content ideas that would align well with Notion guides, comparisons, or case studies. Keep an eye on your inbox so you don't miss the acceptance email. Once you are accepted, you'll access everything through PartnerStack. This is where you'll find your unique referral link and promotional materials like brand assets and messaging guidelines. Copy your link and test it to make sure it loads correctly. Use the assets provided so your promotions are consistent and compliant, and review any best practices they share to improve conversions. Here is how you earn. You receive 50% of all payments for the first 12 months on new paid subscriptions that come through your link. To make this tangible, if someone you refer pays for a subscription, half of what they pay each billing cycle for up to a year goes to you. Exact amounts depend on the plan and pricing at the time. But the key is that it's for new paid customers you introduce. To maximize earnings, focus on high-value referrals by encouraging teams to upgrade to the Plus or Business plans. Team use cases typically lead to larger seats and higher plan tiers, which means bigger commissions for you. Create content that speaks to team workflows, permissions, docs, wikis, and project management, so decision makers can see the practical benefits. Finally, remember the 30-day tracking cookie. You receive credit if a user upgrades within 30 days after clicking your link. If someone browses today but decides later, you can still be credited as long as it's within that window. So encourage visitors to use your link whenever they're ready. That's it. Apply. Get approved. Grab your link in PartnerStack and focus on valuable referrals. Thanks for watching.